Let's try another profit and loss problem. Mrs. Wendover sold her investment property at a 5% loss for $75,000. How much did Mrs. Wendover purchase the property for? So we're going to start with our normal first step of making a T-bar. And the easiest thing to find is the rate. In this case, our rate is 5%. And this is our rate of loss, which means up top I'm putting amount of loss. And all losses and all profits are based off of what somebody originally paid. So now that we've labeled, let's see what we know. Do we know the amount of loss? No, don't. And do we know the amount that Mrs. Wendover originally paid? We do not. In fact, that's what we're looking for. So this doesn't appear to be the T-bar that we want to use, and that's okay. What we're going to do is just make another T-bar and put the next rate that we find in the problem in the T-bar. Unfortunately, this problem doesn't have another rate that's written out, so we know that we are going to have to do something to that 5%. That 5% applies to 100% in two ways. We could either add 5%, so it would be 105, or we can subtract 5%, and it would be 95. Or another way to look at this is if this is your 100%, then we could either take 5% off and it's no more, and this means all of this would be 95%. Or we could say, hey, we have this original 100% and we're going to add 5% more, and that would give us 105%. In this case, Mrs. Wendover sold her property at a loss. So we're going to take away that 5% from our 100, meaning we're going to use this 95%. So 95% is the rate of sale. And that means up top, we're going to put amount of sale. And we know this sale was 95% less than the original price. We still don't know the original price. In fact, that's what we're looking for. So we do, however, know the amount of sale, which is $75,000. So now we've got two numbers in our T-bar, and thanks to our TGIF, which stands for top goes in first, which means you're going to put the top number into the calculator, the divided sign, then the percentage. So top number goes in first, and we're going to find out that that original price is $78,947.37. This was the original price that Mrs. Wendover bought the property for. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just let me know.